how I'm starting my morning. I have bananas, pineapple, kale, berries, and I'm about to add oat milk and ginger and have me a nice smoothie. So, grand rising. So, I am out walking. Y'all, I am determined to get back to my former weight. So I said, you know what? It's time to give up all of those sweets, all of those carbs, those breads, those potatoes, those noodles, those rice every day, those fast foods, fried foods, and anything that's not serving my body to be in its healthiest self. So in addition to having my smoothie, in addition to not only am I, working out, but I'm getting back to meditating daily, journaling daily, and doing things that I know that puts me in my prime space of fitness. So I found this wonderful park in the area where I can walk around. And when I walk around here 5 times, plus walking home and back, that's 4 miles. Because prior to moving to Nigeria, I was used to walking 4 miles a day. So I'm back at it, y'all. Wish me luck. So I wanted to show y'all the area, the park, because y'all already know what I look like. So this is where I'm at. Let me see, where am I? Oh, you can't see my shadow right now, but you see my feet moving, honey. All right, so just wanted to show y'all the area and show y'all what Dubai looks like from my POV today, because it's not just all high rises and structures. It's nice parks, and y'all see how clean this ground is. You don't see any litter, any trash, any bottles of water, any packs of blunts, cigarettes, and any of that other stuff. And that's my thing. Like, God gave us earth, so we need to take care of it better, because all this littering and all this throwing trash on the ground and not taking care of earth, you're not taking care of your home. And God gave us this place, so we need to take care of it. So, all right, let me get back to my music, but I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing today. So I just got finished working out, walking my 4 miles. So I'm making me a smoothie with peanut butter, bananas, dates, and oat milk. And this is actually a really, really, really good smoothie, and it tastes really good. If you haven't tried it, please try it, because it's absolutely delicious. So it is 9:30 on the East Coast, and I am waiting for the market to do what I expect it to do, which is this, and then I am about to enter the trade and end my day. Y'all, so I had a good trading day, so I just rewarded myself with some food from Vegana. So I got some Ghana rice, plantains, and tender chicken. I got extra soup. My mouth is watering as I smell this and look at this. So let me eat. I'll be back.